Good afternoon, students. So in the last class, we have started with MCQs on logarithms and we have solved up to the 6th question. So in today's class, let us continue with the 7th one. The question is, the value of x satisfying log x to the base 243 which is equal to 0.8 is, the four options are 81, 1.8, 2.43 and 27. So let us solve this one. So write the given logarithmic function as it is log x to the base 243 which is equal to 0.8. Now this is there in the logarithmic form and we have to write this in the exponential form. See here, log x to the base a which is equal to m. So this is in the logarithmic form. So what will be its corresponding exponential form? It is x which is equal to a to the power m. X is equal to a raised to m. So this is the corresponding exponential form. Now we have to write this in the exponential form. We get x which is equal to, so 243 to the power 0.8. So now in the next step, x which is equal to, so here 243 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 5 times we have to multiply 3. See here, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this will give us 243. So 3 raised to 5 to the power 0.8 can be written as 4 divided by 5. 4 by 5. So now x which is equal to, so what happens now? It is in the form of a raised to m whole raised to n which is equal to a to the power mn. A to the power m. So these two will be multiplied now. 3 to the power 5 into 4 by 5. So here 5 and 5 get cancels. We have 3 to the power 4. X which is equal to 3 raised to 4. What is 3 raised to 4? It is 81. X is equal to 81. So this is the required value of x. So it is the option A. This is all about the 7th problem. Well, the next question it is the value of log 5 to the base 3 into log 9 to the base 25 is, the four options are 0, 1, 2, 4. So let us solve this. So log 5 to the base 3 into log 9 to the base 25 which is equal to, I write this as it is now. Or else we can go for change of base rule. So this can be written as log 5 divided by log 3. Then into, I hope you know the change of base rule. And then this can be written as log 9 divided by log 25. So now log 5 divided by log 3 into, so here log 9 can be written as 3 square divided by log 25 can be written as 5 square. I write this as it is. Log 5 divided by log 3 divided by log 3. Now this is in the form of log x to the power n. So log x to the power n can be written as n times log x. So this comes in the beginning. So 2 I write here into 2 log 3 divided by, again this comes in the beginning. So we get 2 log 5. So here log 5 get cancels, then log 3 get cancels. So 2 by 2 it is 1. 2 get cancels. The answer is 1. So search for the options now. It is the option B. This is all about the 8th problem. Well, the 9th question it is, if log of m plus n which is equals to log m plus log n, then the 4 options are mn equal to 1, m equal to minus n, and n equal to m divided by m minus 1, and then m by n equal to 1. So let us solve this. Log m plus n. So log of m plus n which is equals to log m plus log n. So now I write the left hand side as it is. So we get log of m plus n which is equals to. So here it is in the form of log x plus log y. What is log x plus log y? It is log xy. So here this can be written as log mn. I write the property here since log x to the base a plus log y to the base a, which is equals to log xy to the base a. This is the standard known property. Then here log and log get cancels. We get m plus n which is equals to mn. So now I take m to the RHS. So n which is equals to, so here we get mn minus mn minus m, and then so here I write m as it is, then take this n to the RHS, we get mn minus n. So now m which is equals to, so what is common here? We have n common. We get m minus 1. So now I take m minus 1 to the LHS, it goes to the denominator. M divided by m minus 1 which is equals to n. So search for the option. It is option C. See here. M by m minus 1 equal to n. Hence the correct answer is option C. So this is all about the 9th problem. So the next question it is, if log x to the base 2 plus log x to the base 4 plus log x to the base 64 which is equals to 5, then x is equals to dash. So the 4 options are 8, 16, 7, 2. So let us solve this. So it is given log x to the base 2 plus log x to the base 4 plus log x to the base 64 which is equals to 5. So now I write the first term as it is. It is log x to the base 2 plus here 4 can be written as 2 square. So log x, here I write 2 square plus log x. So 64 can be written as 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 5 will be 32 and then 2 raised to 6 will give us 64. So I write this as 2 raised to 6 which is equals to 5. So we have the standard property now. Log x to the base a raised to n. Log x to the base a raised to n can be written as 1 by n. 1 by n into log x to the base a. We have to make use of this property for these two terms. So now I write this as it is. Log x to the base 2 plus. So 1 by n. N value it is 2 here. I write 1 by 2 into log x to the base 2 plus. Now this can be written as 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into log x to the base 2 which is equals to 5. So now in all the three terms we have log x to the base 2 as a common term. So I take log x to the base 2 common. We have 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 and into log x to the base 2 which is equals to 5. So now let us simplify this. So here the LCM will be 6. So 6 will be multiplied with 1. We get 6 plus 2 3s are. So it is 3 plus 6 1s are. Divided by 6 into log x to the base 2. This is equals to 5. So in the next step, see here, 6 plus 3 it is 9, 9 plus 1 it is 10. We get 10 by 6 into log x to the base 2 which is equals to 5. So now here 2 5s are, 2 3s are. So what do we have now? 5 by 3 into log x to the base 2 which is equals to 5. So I write log x to the base 2 as it is. Log x to the base 2 as it is. Then I write this 5 also as it is. Then I take this term to the RHS. 3 goes to the numerator and 5 goes to the denominator. Into 3 divided by 5. So here 5 and 5 get cancels. We have only 3. Log x to the base 2 which is equals to 3. Now this is there in the logarithmic form. Now we have to write this in the exponential form. So that is x which is equals to, I write only x and then 2 raised to 3. That will be your exponential form. 2 to the power 3. So x which is equals to, what is the 2 raised to 3 now? It is a 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. So we have got the value of x. Search for the option now. It is the option A. This is all about the 10th problem. Well, the 11th question it is, if log x to the base 5 which is equals to y, then 5 to the power 5y is equal to, the four options are x by 5, 5x, log 5 to the base x and then x to the power 5. So let us write the given question. So log x to the base 5 which is equals to y. So this is there in the logarithmic form. Now I want to write this in the exponential form. So x which is equals to 5 to the power y. X which is equals to 5 raised to y. So now both the sides I am going to raise the power 5 because we need 5 raised to 5y. That is, I am raising the power 5 both the sides. So we get x to the power 5 which is equals to 5y to the power 5. So now I write x to the power 5 as it is, which is equals to, this is there in the form of a raised to m whole raised to n. That means a to the power mn. These two will be multiplied. A raised to mn. Similarly, 5 to the power 5y or y5, both are same. So see here, 5 raised to 5y, 5 raised to 5y, which is equals to x to the power y. Sorry, 5. This can be written as 5 to the power 5y, which is equals to x to the power 5. Search for the options now. It is the last option, that is D. So this is all about the 11th problem. So the 12th question, it is, if 150 to the power x equal to 7, then x is equal to, the four options are log 7 divided by log 3 plus log 5 plus log 1, and then log 7 divided by log 3 plus log 6, and then log 7 divided by log 3 plus log 5 plus 10, and then log 7 divided by log 2 plus log 3. So let us solve this. I take the given function as it is. So he is given 150 to the power x, which is equals to 7. So this is there in the exponential form. We have to write this in the logarithmic form. So what do we get now? X, which is equals to log 7 to the base 150. Log 7 to the base 150. So now I write x as it is. Then apply change of base rule here. Log 7 divided by log 150. So now x, which is equals to log 7, I write it as it is. Then divided by, so here 150 can be written as log 3 into 5 into 10 into 10. So multiply all the three numbers. 3 into 5, it is 15. 15 into 10, it is 150. So this I have written in this form. So now x, which is equals to log 7 divided by, this is in the form of log of x, y, z. So log of x, y, z can be written as log x plus log y plus log z. So we have discussed about log of x, y. It is log x plus log y. Similarly, for three terms, it is log x plus log y plus log z. So log 3 plus log 5 plus log 10 plus log 10. So now x, which is equals to, write the numerator as it is log 7 divided by, so log 3 plus log 5, log 3 plus log 5 plus, what is the value of log 10? It is 1. So here the base is not mentioned. If the base is not mentioned, we have to take 10 common logarithm. See here, log 10 to the base 10, which is equals to 1. So this is the standard property. Log a to the base a is always 1. So in place of log 10, I can write 1. So search for the options now. So log 7 divided by log 3 plus log 5 plus 1. That is the option A. This is all about the 12 problems.